I go to a little car show close to my house to support the welding program at a local high school. Fun show.
Well, I'm headed off to a local car show down at a high school that all the proceeds is going towards their welding and fabrication and their shop class. And since I pretty much made a living doing that stuff, beating on cars, I want to go up here and get the car out in this old wet road. Mercy. It's nasty under the bottom now. I bet it'd take me forever to clean it. But like I said, I didn't build this thing to be a trailer queen. I'm driving it. Good weather, bad weather, whatever. We're going to drive it. So we're off down here to support some vocational kids.
All right, we made it down here in the rain and the water to the thing. Check it out. The kids made all these trophies and stuff on them. How cool is that? Look here, I'm gonna pick at them. Some of them are welders and some of them are grinders. You know. I'm just saying.
I made two of them.
I'm just saying, you know.
I made the motorcycle one and the Jeep one.
Okay.
Welder, what he ain't. Yeah.
There you go. That's right. Exactly, guys. All right.
I made the exhaust of the JDM, made the motorcycle one, and made the Jeep one.
Okay. All right, then. All right. You'll get me back when you come see my car over there. Thanks, fellas. All right. I'm actually going to wait until more cars get here before I start doing a whole lot of videoing. So I'm gonna go look around, let everybody get here, and then come back. All right, so I just got here, and I figured I'd park by Like Kind over here on it.
67 Dodge.
67 Dodge?
A100. Yeah.
A100.
Got a 02 truck motor, 6-liter in it.
Yeah.
It's a stage 3 cam. Got the 2500 stall converter. It's
oh, he's ready.
It's ready.
Have you run it down the drag strip or anything yet?
It feels like it would do good. You take it, spin a lot. So
never know.
You gotta watch it. Don't know what it's gonna do.
Sure. That's way cool. I like it. I like it.
Hey, you still recording? You wouldn't want to trade with you. I like it.
No. Oh no. No, we can't do no trading. No.
Tell him I want some of that.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh yeah. Oh well, that sounds pretty good. Shoot, yeah. That thing sounds good, don't it? I like it. This the top, and believe it or not, this carpet and the sides is done just how my wife's is. Yeah, my wife's is done just like that. Yeah. Oh yeah, it does. It looks real nice.
Did you drop that swivel?
Oh yeah, it looks nice. These Jeep people sure can spend some money. I mean, you can just tell by looking at them, all this stuff. Wheels, tires, lift kits, and stereo systems. Dang. I walked down here through the Jeeps. And they do some stuff to these things. Looks like about 1/3 of them are wrapped. Pretty neat. Man, that's a really, really pretty truck right there. I love that color. That's one like the son had. Look at that big old sun. Look at that. Heck yeah. That ought to get it done right there for sure. Yeah, I like it. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, SS Chevelles. This here's got a Coyote in it. That's really neat. So yeah, pretty nice looking bunch of cars down here for sure. So, Corvette.
So, I don't know.
A lot of them. A lot of these cars I've seen, and a lot of these cars I hadn't seen. So there's your little rice burner. That's neat. Saudi day. That's really cool right there. I like that. I said this over and over. These are kind of growing on me here, for sure. These are kind of growing on me. How about a pro-streeted Falcon? I love these things no matter what you do to them. And once again, I'm just having to do the voiceover because the music was in the background and I don't want them flagging the music, and I don't know how to go around that. So for the time being, you just have to listen to me ramble. Check out this daggum Geo right here with a V6 in the back of it. So cool. Have I mentioned I'm having a blast with this old car? Just so many memories. Just having a really good time. And the guys put on a good show. They've had a big turnout today, and there's all the boys and the girls that was in the shop class and stuff that's putting this thing on. They did all the judging and everything else, made the trophies and all. So I'm gonna hang out here and see what all won. So pretty cool.
We've got some trophies out here on
Cool.
the ground that